What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Like a Boss. Today we're going to talk about how to copy and paste an Excel sheet into Word and how to do it, make it look pretty, and then a couple other tips along the way to make your uh, Excel to Word transition look good. So let's get into it. All right, so here in Excel, if you're looking and you see a bunch of pound signs or hashtags or whatever you call them, that means that there's too many characters in the column, and you can expand it just by double clicking the edge of the column at the top here. See that? But if you have like 100 columns, you don't want to do that. So if you click on the select all button, top left of Excel there in the sheet, and then click on the edge of a column, any of them, it'll expand all of them. And then you'll be able to see everything. So that's a little tip for anybody who has that problem. But all right, if I want to transfer this sheet into Word, then what I want to do is select my cells and right click and go to copy. And then I'm going to switch over to Word here. I want to paste it, but the problem is most of the time when you paste it, if you just right click and go paste, the first option there, or Control V, this is what you get. I mean, look how ugly that is. Nobody wants that. That's not a Word document. That's going to be worth printing or sending to someone. So what you want to do, instead of just plain Control V, if you right click in Word, you'll notice the first paste option is keep source formatting. We don't want that. If you just hover over it like I'm doing now, you can see what it's going to look like. Use destination styles, definitely don't want that. Link and keep source formatting, nope. Link and use destination, nope. Picture, ooh, there we go. And then finally text only, no, we don't want that. Picture, so if we paste as a picture, this is what we get. Perfect. That looks like what it looks like in Excel. So you'll notice the bold lines. See how they disappeared and came back? Look at that, different bold lines. That's just Word, the formatting of Word. It puts bold lines in different parts of the cells. But when you go to print it or send it or save it, those won't stay. So that's no big deal. But once you paste it, now you have it in Word the way you want it. Click it and go to Picture Format and go to Wrap Text, and then change the way it's wrapped, because as it is right now, you can't change where it is in the document. But if you put it behind some text, for example, now I can move this thing however I want. And the green lines in Word to really show you where to put it and how to put it, right in the center or wherever you want. So that's what I'll do with this one. I'll try it to see. There's the center. So now I can click a button and say, this is my report. And then, let's see, I can drag it up right to it. Then I can double click below it and say, hope you like it. And there you go. Now, if you go to print preview, this is what it looks like. So much better. And that's how you want to copy and paste from Excel into Word if you want it to look the same. The only caveat is this is a picture. This is not a table now. So you cannot edit this once it's in Word. Make sure all of your edits are done in Excel before pasting it over into Word. So that's about it, guys. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one.